Coffee Minutes Podcast episode, The Perfect Coffee Grind, Getting It Right. Hey coffee aficionados! Welcome back to Coffee Minutes. I'm Jenny, and today, we're talking about one of the most crucial, yet often overlooked, aspects of brewing great coffee, the grind. Did you know that the size of your coffee grounds can make a world of difference in your final cup? We're going to break down why grind size matters and how to get it just right. Grab your favorite bins, and let's get grinding. Why grind size matters? You might think that as long as the bins are ground, you're good to go. But the truth is, grind size directly impacts the extraction process. Extraction is how water pulls the flavors from the coffee grounds. Too fine, and you risk over-extraction, leading to a bitter, harsh cup. Too coarse, and you'll get under-extraction, resulting in a weak, sour brew. Finding that sweet spot is key to unlocking the full potential of your coffee. The spectrum of grinds: coarse to fine. Let's start with coarse grinds. This is the largest grind size, resembling sea salt. It's ideal for methods like the French press and cold brew, where the coffee is steeped for a longer period. Coarse grinds allow for even extraction without over-extraction, preventing a bitter taste. Next, we have medium coarse grinds, which are slightly finer than coarse. This is often used for methods like the Chemex, which requires a slightly longer contact time than other pour-over methods. Then, there's medium grinds, the most versatile size. It's perfect for drip coffee makers and some pour-over methods. It offers a balanced extraction, resulting in a well-rounded cup. Moving on to medium fine grinds, which are finer than table salt. This is typically used for methods like the AeroPress and some espresso preparations. Finally, we have fine grinds, the finest grind size. It's used exclusively for espresso machines, where high pressure is used to force hot water through the tightly packed grounds. Matching grind size to brewing method. Matching the correct grind size to your brewing method is essential. Using a grind that's too fine for a French press, for instance, will result in a muddy, over-extracted brew. Conversely, using a coarse grind for espresso will lead to a weak, watery shot. It's important to research the recommended grind size for your chosen brewing method and adjust your grinder accordingly. Tips for consistent grinding. Consistency is key when it comes to grinding coffee. Using a burr grinder is highly recommended, as it provides a more consistent grind size compared to blade grinders. Burr grinders crush the bins between two burrs, resulting in uniform particles. Start with a medium grind and adjust from there, based on your taste preferences and brewing method. Always grind your bins fresh, just before brewing, for the best flavor. Experimenting finding your preference. Ultimately, finding the perfect grind size is a matter of personal preference. Don't be afraid to experiment with different grind sizes and brewing times to find what works best for you. Keep a journal of your findings, noting the grind size, brewing method, and taste of your coffee. This will help you fine-tune your technique and consistently brew delicious coffee. And that concludes our deep dive into coffee grind sizes. I hope you're feeling more confident about achieving the perfect grind for your favorite brew. Remember, getting the grind right is a game changer. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a fellow coffee lover. What's your favorite grind size and brewing method? Let us know in the comments below. To continue your coffee journey, check out my collection of coffee-related books on Amazon. You'll find a list of resources in the description below, covering topics from brewing techniques to global coffee cultures and more. And if you'd like to support the show, head over to my Ko-Fi page. Your contributions help keep Coffee Minutes brewing. Links are below. Thanks for tuning in. Stay caffeinated, stay curious, and I'll see you next time.